In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it. The journey of adding an ad on Facebook begins with visiting the Facebook Business Manager. This central hub is where all your marketing happenings on Facebook get managed efficiently. So open up your favorite browser, type in the Facebook Business Manager URL, and let's get started. Upon landing on the Business Manager page, you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook account. Do so, and ensure that you choose the right account you're managing the ads for. This might seem straightforward, but remember, managing the correct account is crucial for the success of your ad campaign. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself navigating through various panels and options. Look towards the lower left section of your screen and click on Ads. This is your gateway to creating and managing your ad campaigns. Next, you'll click on Ads Manager. This section is the heart of your campaign creation process. It is where you can set up new campaigns, manage existing ones, and track your overall ad performance. Now it's time to click on the Campaigns tab. Here you will find an overview of all your campaigns. On this page, there's a specific section you want to focus on. Click on Ads to proceed to the next step in the ad creation process. Here's where the magic begins. Click on the Create button. This is your first big step towards creating your ad. Facebook then prompts you to choose what kind of engagement you want for your ad. Click on Engagement to signify that you want your audience to interact with your ad. After selecting Engagement, you'll press Continue. This step is about moving further down the path of defining your ad's objectives and audience. Continuing on, you'll click Continue once more to advance to the next set of options that allow you to specify your ad campaign's finer details. This is where you can start getting excited as your ad is beginning to take shape. Now, it's vital to set up a budget for your ad. Clicking on Set Up Your Budget gives you the power to control how much you spend on this campaign. This will ensure you're not spending more than you intend on your ad. After setting your budget, clicking Next brings you closer to the creative part of your ad creation. Here's where you get to decide how your ad looks and feels to your audience. Go to Ad Creative is an exciting step. This is where you truly make your ad your own. You can choose what media to add, be it images or videos, and craft your message. Speaking of videos, clicking on Setup Creative, followed by Video Ad, allows you to upload and use a video for your ad. In the digital age, videos are powerful tools for engagement, making this step quite pivotal. Next, you'll enter your headline and the text for your ad. This text is what your audience reads, so make it appealing and direct. Remember, this is your chance to make a first impression. Once you've got your text in, click Next to proceed. You're now at a stage where you can upload the video you've chosen for your ad. Click Upload and navigate through your computer to find your video file. After uploading, you might find that trimming your video could enhance its impact. By clicking Trim Your Video, you tighten its message and ensure it's exactly how you want it, concise and on point. Once trimmed to your satisfaction, clicking Next then takes you through more options to polish your video, like adding filters, text overlay, or adjusting its size. These details matter as they can significantly influence your ad's effectiveness. After fine-tuning your video, it's time to click Done. Congratulations, you've just set up the creative part of your ad. But you're not quite finished yet. The final step is clicking Publish. This is where you take a deep breath and send your ad out into the world of Facebook, where it can start garnering views, clicks, and ultimately conversions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to uploading a Facebook ad in no more than 5 minutes. Remember, while the process might seem simple, each step offers strategic decisions that can affect your ad's performance. Take your time to understand these steps and refine your approach with each ad you create. Good luck, and may your ads bring you great success.